Fix tile, not connecting. Mock screens only. Start with System Bluetooth. Open Settings, turn Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Set the tile within a few feet of the phone and press its button once. A tune means the tracker is awake. Open App Permissions for Tile. Set location to always, and keep precise location enabled if your phone offers it. If setup says the tile belongs to another account, stop troubleshooting. The existing owner must remove it first. If the tile stays silent, identify the model. Replace CR2032 models carefully. Send sealed models to support. Force close the tile app, reopen it, and restart the phone if the connection still hangs. Save removal for later. Open the App Store and update Tile. Keep the tracker nearby for a minute so any pending firmware sync can finish. Scan the QR for the full HotAirTag guide.